I think this has been one of the most exciting experiences of my life. I have had a stint with light chasers before also during a workshop, and during which I realized that it's a very good learning experience. So when I got to know about the Ladakh expedition, I was quite excited.
This has been a fascinating and exciting experience. I've always wanted to visit Ladakh, and I'm really glad that I was given this opportunity to travel with so many like-minded people.
Ladakh has been on my bucket list for the last 25 years, and I never got a chance to come. And this year, the moment Sanjay heard that you were going on the trip, he said that this was the right time for me to get out, because I was going to go with the right kind of person.
I read about this, discovered about this trip from the internet, Canon Edge website, and when I saw about it, mesmerizing Ladakh, it immediately caught on to me, because I wanted to see Ladakh. I had read a lot about it. It's a very interesting and intriguing place, and wanted to come here.
This mesmerizing Ladakh tour is mesmerizing not only for its physical beauty. Actually, initially I was in doubt whether the primary target is the tour or photography. Now after nearly at the end of the tour, I am in no doubt. It is primarily photography.
If I have to sum up the whole experience of this Ladakh expedition tour in one word, it will be mind-blasting, out of this world, but still these words will make a understatement.
When I told my mom and dad that I'll opt for this, they were like not ready for this trip, because it was like as soon as I got upgraded in my job, I realized that I should go forward and should learn a lot, because online learning and everything is not really, it doesn't help that much.
Hi, my name is Nitin. I'm right now studying outside in US, doing my PhD in computer science. I was on a vacation, on 3-month vacation in India, and wanted to visit Leh or cover Jammu Kashmir. And one fine day I was just browsing online and saw this link that a group of photographers are doing a photographic tour for Leh, and I was really interested. I contacted Jesse sir, who was organizing the tour. I met him in person. I really liked him, his attitude, his organization skills, and that's when the whole journey began.
I've never been to Ladakh before, and there is so much beauty and so much landscapes and portraiture opportunities here that I thought it would be a really good idea to learn from experts, and I think I was absolutely correct in thinking so. The entire tour has been a very good experience. I've seen myself improve day by day, where it comes to compositions or to even the technical part of cameras.
I'm really glad that I was given this opportunity to travel with so many like-minded people.
Going back pretty satisfied, where I not only got to see some of the general touristy locations, but also some of the very remote places. And not only did we see them, but we actually experienced them by staying at these places.
Our primary target was photography, and that was perfectly successful.
The tour itself, Jesse was very comfortable to deal with. The people that we were with were very comfortable. The entire group gelled very well. And everybody was on the same page for the love of photography. So it was even more better.
The mentorship that has been given to us has been absolutely brilliant. I can totally see the differences between what I used to click about 10 days back and where I am today.
I consider myself to be a landscape nature photographer, and had never done a portrait. I'd never shot portraits before, and being on this tour has made me realize that even on portraits I can shoot good pictures.
We feel it is a great success.
All in all, I think this has been a wonderful experience and a wonderful journey. I'm really sad that this is ending today.
Thank you for letting me come as a tourist and going back as a bit of a photographer.